Hi, welcome to 6th grade science. I'm Mrs. Green, your science teacher. To get to know me a little bit better, be sure to check the announcement section. If you need to contact me, you can find my contact information on the landing page of this course. Let's scroll down and look at what we're going to study this semester. We're going to study force and energy, the earth, and the atmosphere. As a 6th grader, you're going to be responsible for taking notes on each lesson. The good news is there's a very helpful tool that you can use that will teach you how to take notes on the important information. At the beginning of each lesson, on the first page, you will find a link for the guided notes. You can click here and open up a page of your guided notes, and there are a couple of ways you can choose to take notes. One, you can write down the questions in a notebook and then record any notes to answer that question. Another thing you can do is print out this page and then just keep it in a notebook. Or you can open the file on your computer, type your notes in, and save the file. If you choose to open the file on your computer and save it, make sure that you have someone show you how to save a file so that you're able to find it again, and I will be more than happy to do that for you if you need it. Another place you can find guided notes would be right up here. And this takes you to a full list of your guided notes for the entire semester, or really the entire year. You can see what you're going to study in second semester as well. I will expect to see your guided notes if you are asking to retake an assignment, or if you're telling me you don't understand something. I will be more than happy to sit with you and work with you and talk about what you're learning, but I'm going to want to see your guided notes as well, just to make sure that you've really gone through the lesson. Something else you might want to keep in mind is that you can use your guided notes on your module exams, so that might be very helpful for you. Speaking of module exams, each module has an exam that covers all of the things you've learned in that module. But before you take your module exam, you will need to have a discussion-based assessment with me. That means you will sign up for a time, and we will sit down and you and I are going to talk about the major concepts in your lesson. It's fine to use your notes if you need to during that discussion, but I want you to be prepared enough to be able to talk about your learning with me. In order to schedule that time, you will go back to the landing page of this course and click a link to a calendar that takes you to appointment slots. If you choose to come up to FVA during guided study to have your DBA there, that's totally fine too. Just be sure to let me know so that I am sure to set some time aside for you. I look forward to working with you this semester. Please don't hesitate to reach out with any questions that you have. I'm glad to help with anything that I can.